I've got my test tube beauty and another giveaway. So if you want to see what's in this box and what today's giveaway is, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for all of your support from all of my YouTube family. So, this is Test Tube Beauty. It is from the makers of New Beauty magazine. They also have their Beauty Pass live shop and shows. And the editors of New Beauty test a lot of different, mostly skincare, hair care, but also some cosmetics, and put their best choices right in this box. So at the end of this video, there will be a giveaway. I'm trying to do as many giveaways this month as I can as a give back for hitting my 1,000 subscriber mark. So stay tuned to the end to see what that is if you're interested. I think it's a good one. Of course, I think they've all been good ones. This is a quarterly subscription. I think it comes out to be $59 a box. But what you are going to get in this box is going to, if you are a skincare junkie, it is going to exceed your wildest expectations. If you are a skincare junkie and there is one box that you're going to get and you could only get one, this would be the one. I'm telling you, you are going to get stuff in here. It's going to blow your mind. I have so far, there was 1 month where like it wasn't a lot of stuff for me necessarily, but it was stuff that my daughter and my niece could benefit from because it was for younger skin concerns, including acne and blackheads, which are not typically a concern for a woman of my age, but are for them. And I have gotten like serums worth $175 in these boxes, and the whole box is $60. So if you like to try what like the rich and famous get to try, this is the way to do it. And I never worry that I'm going to fall in love with it, because truth be told, in the next box there'll be something equally fantastic. So these products in this box are curated for the winter months. So they are keeping in mind what your winter skincare and hair care needs might be. There is your sneak peek. I can already see one of my favorite vitamin brands. I love the Sugar Bear. I love their gummies. I did get to try the Lemon ones and I really like their vitamins as well. But the Ollies, you can get these at Target and they're reasonably priced. You can also order them online. You get a little bit of a discount online if you set up like an auto ship, but at Target I get 5% off anyway, so it was a good way to try them. These are their Goodbye Stress gummies. This has GABA, L-theanine, and lemon balm. GABA is fast working within 30 to 60 minutes amino acid that supports a relaxed state of mind to help combat the acute effects of stress. L-theanine is GABA's partner, and it goes right to work in your brain to help you keep your cool. I needed like a handful of these today. And lemon balm is a soothing botanical that has been used for centuries to help quiet the mind. I'll take like this whole bottle the next time I have to go to Walmart. There are no synthetic flavors or colors, and it is gluten-free. Take as needed. The taste is strawberry and lemon verbena. Now, a regular serving size or amount that you should take would be 2. I'm only going to take 1. It's not bad. Got a little bit of a funny taste, but it's definitely tolerable. I just got some other vitamins from Influencer, and they're so disgusting. I have to chop them up. And they're gummies. I have to chop them up and swallow them. I cannot chew them. They're so bad. But I said I'd review them for a month, so review them I will. These are okay. Not my favorites. I like the Grande gummies that are for stress better. I will tell you that. which I also got in one of these boxes, I believe. Next, by Color Wow, we have the Speed Dry. This is a blow dry spray that's supposed to accelerate drying time without any alcohol. By Mud Maskey, we have their eye serum. I have gotten this before. I've never tried it. Mud Maskey is a cruelty-free brand, so I know y'all like to know that. I don't know that about Color Wow, but I do look it up if I don't know, and I put that on the screen. This is a cruelty-free brand. So this is for dark circles. It is infused with vitamin C. It does say it's vitamin infused and moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. And this is a full size. Everything in this box will be a full size. By Neostrata, we have their Resurface Skin Texture and Clarity Foaming Glycolic Wash. Now, Neostrata is a pricey brand. That's a good size. It says it has an advanced AHA renewal, high-strength AHA cleanser. It is formulated with a smart delivery system to minimize irritation. It is for experienced glycolic acid users and is soap-free. And I have used glycolic acid in a number of products. And so some of the products that I don't know about this one specifically, but some of the glycolic acids I've had, if you've never tried it, what you'll notice is when you put it on, there will be like some skin peeling, like some dead skin cells. It's really kind of weird the first time. I'm like, what? What is that? Is my face peeling off? But it's just some dead skin cells, but you'll actually really feel that. So to me, I love a good exfoliation. I like feel clean after that. So super excited to try this product. By Euphora, we have their Nourish. This is their beautifying serum. I'm going to guess this is for the hair because this is a hair care company. This says it provides exceptional benefits for hair, skin, and scalp. It has kabuki, what is that? No, kukui, K-U-K-U-I, argan, neem, and cranberry oils rich in omega fatty acids. Vitamins and minerals deliver super moisturizing, softening, and antioxidant benefits. There's no artificial colors or fragrances in here. You're going to put it on your hair, so work through towel dried hair, then blow dry. Take a look at this. There we go. If you ever got the Luxley boxes, when Vanessa over at Luxley did her hair care boxes, whether it was your little Luxley or the regular size Luxley, there was a lot of Euphora in there. And this is like a high cost, but also apparently when I did some background on this, this is like a highly recommended salon brand, which I had never heard of before. I got it in Luxley, but I did a little research because I was like, what is this brand? What am I getting? And this is apparently used on a lot of television sets or movie sets or that sort of stuff. Like it's used a lot with celebrities when they're preparing them for TV, movies, whatever it is. By Bigger Than Beauty Skincare is the Defying Gravity Deep Hydration Moisturizer. This is sulfate and paraben free, synthetic fragrance free, and gluten free. Dermatologist and allergy tested. This is made in the US of global ingredients. And it is Leaping Bunny certified. I'm going to guess that this is a female founded brand because right on the cap here or the lid, it has Carissa's Pro Tip: store moisturizer in refrigerator to cool. Apply an even layer onto skin for 10 minutes and rinse to reveal brightened skin with a boost of hydration. I would never think to do that with moisturizer. By Sia, S-I-I-A, is the Change Agent Original Lipstick. I think this is in Twilight Coral. I think that there was a couple of different colors you could have gotten, and I'm pretty sure this was not the color I had wanted. I saw on the Beauty Pass live show, they did spoil everything on here. So I think there was two colors, and this was the one that I was like, oh, That looks like it might be a little bright. So not really a me color. This is supposed to be reminiscent of the Chanel lipstick from what they were talking about. It's supposed to be a good dupe, what they were saying. This does say that it has a rich pigment, it is long lasting, it's made in Korea. Next we have a roll-on fragrance oil, and this is by Riddle. This is in original scent. This is a woody scent. Now this size right here is like $50, first of all, let me just tell you that. I know because I've gotten this before and I've gotten the bigger size, and I was like blown away when I learned that this size was $50. It's a roller ball. I have this at home, so I don't want to open it and use it. It is kind of an earthy, woody scent. I do like it. I will tell you that. I don't always like woody, earthy scents, but this one I do enjoy. This is Body by Dewy Hours. It's an exfoliating body glove. That's cute. By Saints and Sinners. Now, I know a lot of you guys will say, oh, I didn't know Saints and Sinners did hair care. So there's two companies out there. One is Saints and Sinners. They do hair care. Then there's Saints Angel Sinners. That's Darcy's company. And she's a wonderful, wonderful lady. She does cosmetics. So they are two different companies. It's not the same. This is an all hair care company. I don't think they do anything else. I've never seen anything else by them. This is an amazing product. I use this. I have one at home. I use it every day. So first of all, you got to shake this baby like, you got to shake. You know, you just got to shake, shake, shake. You got to Casey in the Sunshine Band this. Shake, 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 right? And it does say right on top, shake well. Then when you spray this in your hair, and this is going to be the one from my mom's house, because whenever I'm at my mom's house, I'm like, I sound funny talking and shaking. I don't have this. What am I going to do? I'm not going to have any lift at all. I have very fine, thin hair. Now, as you shake this, it's going to feel cold. I think that's how you know it's good. Like, it's going to work, I guess. I don't know. I don't know why it gets cold, but it does. So you're going to shake it out. And you're just going to put it in, and it's going to give you a nice little lift. And you can kind of just muss it up, do what you want with it. The side of my hair is always flat. And even though I'm an 80s girl, I'm not a big hair girl. I just like a little bit of lift, but you can really get some really good lift. Like if you put your head upside down and kind of give it a big spray and then just let it sit upside down for a few seconds, when you put your hair back up, it's going to be like, you know, 80s hair. The other thing in the box is their magazine. Now this is a, I think $13 value. I believe it's $12.99 on newsstands. So this is also an interesting read. I always read it. And then I bring it to work because we do a lot of collaging with our residents. So in different groups. So that goes there. All right. Well, this is a fantastic box. Another fantastic box by New Beauty. Super excited. Loving everything in here. Now I feel like, because this is a skincare box, I should get a skincare item. I had something different, but I do have other things to pair with that. So I'm going to grab a skincare item and I will be right back. Actually, I'm going to go with, because I do have one of these, and it's a lovely, lovely eye serum. From what I've read reviews about it. I don't think I have tried it, but I really like this company. I just finished up using up one of their facial like mud mask / face cleansers. Melting mud mask, I think it's called, and I loved it. It was wonderful. It's a socially responsible company, so I do support this brand, and cruelty free. So again, what more do I need to say? This will be what you win today. So use the words eye serum, or in some way let me know. Eye serum, eye mask, mud masky, let me know that you want to be entered for this item. I was having you guys just write enter me, but then I thought about it, and I know some people don't really watch the videos and they just write enter me, and that's fine, but I want someone who wants this to get it and not somebody who doesn't want it. So remember that you can only win one time this month for these types of giveaways, for the daily giveaways, and all the other rules will be down below. So make sure you check them out before you enter as well to make sure that you qualify. All right, well, thank you so much. Please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Gotta do the like and subscribe in order to be entered, and the notification bell is gonna let you know if you are a winner when I post it on my community tab. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.